Hello everyone, welcome back to Alaskan Designs. Glad you're able to join us, and we're blessed to have you. So what we're going to do today, just like I talked about in the last video, we're going to mill up this small maple log. It's got a pretty bad split right here. We're going to take off this little piece of the limb. Probably going to cut it right back here. That's going to get into the cap cut of the log, but that's okay. And that should leave us a decent, approximately 5-foot length. We're gonna have 10 inches on the small end. 13 with the bark on the large end. Then there's going to be a crotch here. It's about 21 or 22, maybe a little less than that once we get into it. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to a 6/4 slab on this, because I think that I'll get at least one more piece out of it if I do that, instead of my regular 8/4 slabs. That'll also allow me to make my paddle cutting boards that I like to make, where I have a live edge on either side with a handle. I'm going to try to get some grain shots today. I'm going to do the water pour on it and try to show the grain after each cut. That came as a suggestion from both Iron and Oak Sawmill and David Sims. Those guys run great channels. If you haven't found them yet, I just suggest that you look them up. They've got some really great milling content on there, and it's clear that they have a passion for lumber milling. So I would go ahead and take a look at their channels. So let's get this cut off. I'm going to cut a couple of bucks so that we can get it up off the ground a little bit easier on the back, and then we'll get to milling. Hopefully we can beat the weather. We got some rain coming in, a little sunny right now, but there. I think we'll be able to mill that up now once I get that fat. And get mill right across top of this plane and get that crotch figure in there, if there is any. Don't know what's going to be in there, but we'll work on it. bit of an issue here. See what we can do. Try to get this saw detached. Here we go. Got it now. Boy, look at that. Truck's in the way, ladder's in the way. Well, I think that's going to end up being some nice lumber. What I'm doing now is I'm lowering down the saw attachment. I got these little pre-cut blocks that are exactly the thickness that I want to have in combination with my ladder when I'm cutting to give me a 6/4 slab. I just set these in here like this, loosen it up. Neighbors driving by. Loosen it up, let it fall down on. Make sure it's down on there, and just retighten it. Pretty simple, no measuring.